Hello guys, here I'm shooting every single shotgun that's in this game. So, there's another episode. Let's do, well actually, I want to manually, ow, eyes are hurting right now. Yeah, there you go. Anyways, oh, eyes hurting. What the heck? Is this an extra shell? No? Where'd my shell thing go? Where? Oh, freaking all spilled over here in the... Dang, a lot of shells are spilled. And they all have physics to them. Dang, dude. Well, anyways, I honestly don't care. No, give me, no. Okay. Let's get manual shells. I want to immediately... Oh, screw it. I'm not using them. I'm not using them. Freaking machine. Okay, let's just get single shots. Oh, they're being stacked. I like this game, how realistic it is. I hope it comes out with a multiplayer shooter. Or multiplayer shooter since it's paid, so. That's the end of that gun. Okay, time for. Oh, I was supposed to say the name. The 590 AI. And now it's time for the Fab. Which looks pretty cool. Laser dot sight to it. Red dot 2. Looks pretty good. There it is. Wait, there's a next button. Ooh! VCOG. They got this. It's called the VCOG. Looks like the sight from Pavlov, though. It doesn't look like the sight from Pavlov. Anyways, get the ammo for it. And I'm not gonna manually reload it because I feel like it's gonna take a long time. And of course, it's gonna do that. And it's gonna spill. Dang it, dude. Of course, it's gonna spill. So I'll just reach under here and just so you don't. Okay, come on. You don't want to just so that sweet ammo that's in there. There you go. Get the sight. Gosh, I can't aim for that red center. There you go. There's that one. And then to end the video off, we're using the M4. So add a sight to it. Just add the 4X scope. Shotguns. I'll manually reload. Manually reload. Oh my gosh. How much ammo does it take? Well, I'm not gonna. Okay. Oh, it's an automatic. Okay. It's gonna be an end for this video. Next video, we're gonna end off the series with. Well, we're gonna end up the series by doing the whole map. We're gonna end up the shooting all the gun series by shooting the sniper rifles next. So I'll see you guys next video. See you later.